Hi there and welcome to a new video tutorial. It's quite often necessary to display a no-content view when we have no actual data to present in our apps. Usually, such a no-content view contains some text that informs users about the lack of data, an image to make it look nice, and probably a call to action button that invites users to perform some action. Creating such views is not difficult, but as of iOS 17, it's made even easier, because SwiftUI provides a configurable no-content view that's a breeze to use. It's called ContentUnavailableView. ContentUnavailableView is the default way to present content. There is an image, and right below that it's a title. The title is a plain localizable string value, while the image can be either an SF symbol or a custom image existing in the assets catalog. These two visual elements are always present in ContentUnavailableView. But in addition to them, ContentUnavailableView can also present a description, an additional piece of text that is meant to provide more information to users if needed. Furthermore, one or more action buttons can also be specified, so users can easily initiate an action that will let them add content to the app. That said, let's get to know how we use ContentUnavailableView in SwiftUI. In its simplest form, ContentUnavailableView accepts two arguments, a title and an image to show. The title can be anything you want, a single word up to a short phrase. The image can either exist in the assets catalog or being a system image defined as an SF symbol. In the example shown here, we're going to have a title and a system image. You can see the preview how the ContentUnavailableView looks like, displaying the provided image and title. In addition, we can also provide a description when we initialize ContentUnavailableView. But keep in mind something important here. The description should be a text view and not a plain string value. See now that the description appears right below the title with a smaller and less emphasized font. We can achieve the same results using a different initializer that expects two arguments instead of three. The first is a closure that returns a label view with the title and the image. The second argument is also a closure, and it's the place to add the text view with the description. It really doesn't matter which method you will follow if you just want to display a view with an image, title, and probably description. But it matters if you would like to include one or more call to action buttons in the view as well. The last initializer demonstrated can get a third closure as argument, another closure where we return a view from and we provide one or more buttons, and therefore allow to initiate actions from the no-content view. In this example here, I'm going to display a button which is supposed to initiate the creation process of a node. Since it's a button, I can style it in the way I prefer, and for visibility reasons, I set the bordered prominent style. And here's how ContentUnavailableView looks like provided with all possible arguments it can take. What you've seen already is all you need to know in order to display a ContentUnavailableView with custom content. However, and on top of all that, ContentUnavailableView comes with a default implementation for a particular kind of missing content, a no results view that we can use as the outcome of a search operation. Search is a common task, and not getting results back is an expected situation. Even more, it allows to include the search term in the title using a static method this time. In this example over here, it's a static text, but in real apps, the text argument should be a property that changes dynamically based on user input. Note that it's possible to create your own views and make them accessible as static methods in ContentUnavailableView, just like the search method you see here. But that's a process that requires a particular series of steps, so I will leave it for another time. So, that's all about the ContentUnavailableView that makes it really easy to show a no-content view in iOS 17 and above. Creating custom views is unavoidable if supporting prior system versions is a requirement, or whether we want to show an even more customized view. Other than that, ContentUnavailableView can save us some valuable development time, so it's a nice tool to have. If you enjoyed this video, then use the like button, and also subscribe for more videos that will come next. check out the description for a link to my website or more programming content. Thank you for watching, take care, and enjoy coding.